Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open our Facebook app. And then once you open your Facebook app, just go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click your profile icon. Once you do that, we're going to click on the settings icon. After that, just click on the account center. So click on see more in account center. After that, what we're going to do is to go here on the personal details, which is under the account settings. And then after that, just click on account ownership and control. After that, click on deactivation or deletion. And then just choose the Facebook account that you are currently using. So this is the account that I'm using, so I'm going to choose this. And then in this part, make sure that you select the activate account, not delete account. And then after that, click on continue. And then after that, just scroll down once again and then click on continue. And then once you click on continue, you will be asked to put your password. So all you have to do is to put that password. And then once you do that, just click on the confirmation that you want to deactivate your account. And then that account will now be automatically deactivated from Facebook. And that is basically it.